New formula to be rich. Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Game Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And doon sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Okay, so ano ba yung bagong formula na ilalatag ko ngayong gabi para tayo yumaman? Ayan, so we keep on finding formula. Ayan, so para tayo maging matagumpay sa buhay at paano natin maabot yung financial target natin. Okay? So, but before that, salamat kanina sa MJ7, kay Ma'am Letty, yan. So, sa group niya, kay Pastor, thank you very much for accommodating us. Sa Laguna yan. So, meron tayong walay na vlog para dyan. So, makakatulong sila on how to increase your income. And if you need career coach and if you want to advertise your business, okay, so message nyo ako 0939-5254-311 or sa aking FB page or FB account. Okay, so ulitin natin sa lahat ng mga pauwing OFW that you want to to be coach para sa inyong paano nyo spend ang inyong pera, anong business ang gagawin nyo, so I can help you, just message me po. Alright, so ano ba yung new formula in order for you to be rich? Alright, so ito na yung ipopropose ko ngayong gabi. Okay, so fresh na fresh. Okay, so pino-formulate ko siya actually for a couple of months. Tinitingnan natin ano yung pwedeng exact formula na pwede kong ma-present sa inyo. It's only one of the ways. Maraming paraan para tayo yumaman, para tayo munlad. Okay? So, but this tonight, isa siya sa nag-i-experience natin that I want to share to everyone. Nagawa ko siya at tingin ko posible na pwede mo siyang gawin. So, ano ba yon? So, ano yung formula na yon? What is that new formula in order for you to be rich? Alright, so ito na po siya, 3 times. Okay, so 3x. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng 3x? Na-motivate ako ganito po to be honest. Nababasa ko si Grant Cardone. Di ba meron po siyang 10x na tinatawag? Okay, so masyado kasing 10x, hindi ko pa siya nasubukan. So I don't want to suggest anything na hindi ko pa natatry. Alright, so at this point in time, hanggang 3x pa lang tayo. Ibig sabihin, triple, 3 times. Okay? So, 3 times these 3 things. So, may tatlong bagay ka, dapat 3 times mo siyang gawin. Okay? So, kung ginagawa mo siya o hindi mo pa siya ginagawa, you have to try it at 3 beses. Okay? So, you have to triple. What are these 3 things? So, number 1, 3x your strategy. Okay? Strategy mo sa buhay. For example, ngayon, ano ba yung mga strategy mo sa buhay? Diba? Ikaw ba may routine? Okay, so meron ka ba yung routine? Meron ka bang ginagawang pansariling method? Okay? Or meron ka bang sariling formula din na ginagawa sa sarili mo na gigising ako ng 1 hour earlier? Okay, so para mas matapos ko yung ginagawa ko. O kaya naman, I'm saving 1,000 pesos a day, so something like sabihin, a month, okay? So, kung meron kang ginagawa, kung ano man yung strategy mo na yan, you have to 3 times it, okay? So, bago natin tuloy, sarili lang po, di natin kakatyan, ano po. Yan, sorry po. Naghangin lang tayo. So, you have to 3 times or triple your strategy. Anong strategy yung ginagawa mo ngayon na dapat mong i-3 times? Okay? So, Doc G, ano ba dapat strategy? Okay? So, para sa inyo po, para sa atin, para magawa natin itong 3x, so, in-specify ko na list strategy. So, anong pwede mong gawin? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng 3 times your strategy na ginagawa mo sa buhay mo every day? Okay? Or every week, o kung ano man mo siya ginagawa, paano mo siya ginagawa, okay? You have to 3 times it. Okay? So, ano yung mga yon? 3x, okay? The use of your talent. Okay? And 3x, the use of your skills. And 3x, the use of your potentials. Okay? So, TSP. Okay? So, ano ba yung skill mo ngayon? Nakakapagsulat ka ba, pero hindi mo ginagawa? O kaya, ginagawa mo siya pa konti-konti lang. Okay? Kung nagsusulat ka ngayon ng article, for example, 1 article a day, you have to 3x it, 3 times it. Okay? So, kung yung potential mo naman ay, or yung skill mo, nakakapagawa ka ng mga, nakakapag-company ka ng mga, computer, o kaya nakakapag-program ka, so you have to 3x your strategies. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo dito, to apply the formula, you sit down, okay? You sit down, then isulat mo, ito nakalagay na dito, write it, okay? So, isulat mo yung mga skill mo, okay? Then, you have to think about it. Pag-isipan mo kung paano siya magiging 3x and start doing it. Okay? So, anong strategy mo ngayon? Okay? Anong strategy mo ngayon na dapat mong gawin? For example, ang strategy mo ngayon, nag-aano ka lang. Ang sabi nito, meron ka lang isang source of income. So, hindi pwede yan. Dapat you 3x your source of income. Mag-isip ka pa ng dalawang pwede mong gawin. 2 sources of income. Kanina I was listening to, abang papunta kami ng Laguna, I was listening to, I forgot the name, pero sabi niya, one of the 5 ways, nagsuggest po siya ng 5 ways on how to increase your income. One of the ways na sinabi niya is, you have to buy something, then you improve it, then you sell it, di ba? So one form to 3x your source of income. Okay? So yun yung isa sa mga strategy, okay? So kung ikaw naman ay nasa office, okay, you are working, walang problema diyan, you just 3x your strategy. Okay? So kung yung strategy mo ay dati umuwi ka saktong 5 or before 5 nag-aayos ka na, so you 3x it, di ba? Pwede kang mag-extend 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, di ba? Para sa school namin, like kung dinidiscuss sa mga teachers ko, para hindi na sila nag-uwi ng maraming papel. Sinasa school po ako, you have to 3x your strategies, di ba? So kung nag-check ka ng papel okay, sa bahay mo pa yun inuwi, so bago ka umuwi, yung strategy mo, do it the fastest way you can, the fastest strategy na pwede mong gawin. Okay? So, ano yung strategy mo ngayon? Okay? So, linawin lang natin you have to use your talent, skills, and potentials. Baka meron ka pang talent, skills, or potentials na hindi pa nagagamit. Start using it and you 3x it. Okay? Like, for example, in my case, formerly po, I have only one source of income, but nag-isip ako, sabi ko, nag-set ako ng target on how to earn at least 6-figure a month. So, before I achieved that, I 3x my strategy. So, I did the YouTube channel and I 3x my strategies. Dati nag-upload lang tayo 3 times a week ng video. So, I 3x it. More than actually 3x. Because today, nag-upload po tayo ng videos, at least 2 videos a day. Kagaya ito po, I came from all the way from Laguna. So, medyo pagod, tiring ang biyahe. Tapos, ako na nag-drive from San Fernando to here. I should be resting at this point in time, but I'm not doing it because I have to 3x my strategy. So, that's number 1. 3x your strategy. And second is 3x your productivity. If you will be not only double, triple your strategy, ang kasunod po nun is you will be producing triple productivity. Okay? So, yung results magiging 3x. So, kung result mo lang, for example, like if you are in sales, so kung nakakabenta ka lang, for example, as a financial advisor, so kung nakakapag-deal ka lang ng 1 client a week, because you 3x your strategy, so baka magkaroon ka na ng 3 clients a week. Nakapag-set ka ng deal, nakapag-close ka ng deal for ng 3. So you produce more, okay? So when you start producing tripling your strategy, productivity mo din po nag-i-increase. Okay? So mas marami kang results. Sabi ko nga hindi ka lang basta pagod. Okay? Maraming tao pag tinanong mo pagod agad, di ba? Minsan pagising pa lang, sabihin na pagod na po ako. Napang ginawa, pagod na. Okay? So, maraming tao, busy, pawis-pawis, di ba? Pero pag tinanong mo na, what have you done? At the end of the day, pag tinanong mo, ano na yung nagawa mo? Walang nagawa. zero productivity. Okay? Because they did not increase their strategy. So, ang ibig sabihin ng 3x po, 3 times your strategy to 3 times your productivity. And, if you have 3x productivity, it will 3x your income. That's the end result. Okay? You have to triple your income. So, paano ma-triple yung income mo? Mag-start ka sa strategy. Okay? So, if you are receiving, for example, 10,000 today, monthly. So, if you will be applying this one, 3x your strategy and your productivity, after a few months, okay? So, magkakaroon ka ng 30K na income. 3x your income. Okay? So, hindi siya madaling gawin. Like in my case, more than a year when I started targeting it, more than a year bago po nagtagumpay yung aking 3x. Kaya ngayon ko lang siya nilabas. I made sure that I experienced it, I did it, and at present, I'm harvesting it. Okay, so bago ko po siya i-share. Alright? So kung kayo man po ay OFW o may work dito, or meron kang business dito, you just have to 3x your strategy. Kung meron kang small business, baka kulang yung strategy mo. Diba? Baka kailangan, you have to promote, you have to market. Parang isa kausap ko, one of the business owners na nakausap ko, sabi ko, maganda naman yung product nila, maganda yung office, kaya naman nilang mag-finance, sabi ko may kulang. Marketing. Baka yung marketing mo, you have to 3x your marketing. 3x your strategy in marketing, in sales, in closing deals, if you have a small business. Kung ikaw na may empleyado, baka kaya nanatili ka empleyado, yan pa rin na sweldo mo since, last year, ilang taon na, yan pa rin ang yung sweldo. Baka something is wrong, di ba? You have to 3x your strategy. Na-share ko na ata ito once sa inyo na I have friends na nag-start sila as teacher 1 after 20 years, teacher 1 pa rin. So, hindi nagbago ang income. So, kulang na strategy. Ano yung strategy na hindi nyo pa ginagawa? Baka may skill ka mo hindi nagagawa, o kaya hindi mo nagagamit, may talent ka, na natutulog lang ang talent mo, di ba? You have to triple it. Alright? So, kung ikaw na may OFW, baka may strategy ka rin na kulang, di ba? So, like ko ang sinasabi sa inyo, sa mga OFW natin, mga kababayan, kailangan i-strategize nyo rin yung buhay nyo, di ba? You have to strategize everything, okay? Alright, so, how to do it? So, sulat mo na ngayon. Binanggit ko na kanina, ulitin lang natin. Isulat mo. If you get your notebook, you write it, think about it, ano yung strategy? Diba? Ano yung strategy na dapat mong gawin para ka magtagumpay sa buhay? To 3x your income. And start doing it. Start doing it today. Narinig mo siya ngayon, you apply Mel Robbins. Ano ni Mel Robbins? 5 seconds rule. Pag meron ka naisip, you have to write it. Write it down. So, wag ka na maghintay bukas, kinabukasan, sa isang linggo, bago ka magsimula ng strategy. Ngayon lang, strategize mo na. Baka kailangan mo lang strategy, matulog na maaga, then magising ng early in the morning to do your tasks, to do your plans, di ba? So, baka kailangan every weekend magtrabaho ka. Saturday mo, you spend working it instead of going to the mall and anywhere that you are spending a lot of money. So, you have to strategize. Again, so this is the new formula to be rich. 3x. 3x your strategy, 3 times your productivity, to 3x your income. Alright, so please share this video sa mga kaibigan natin, OFW, mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo mabago at umunlad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go!